Morning, students. So we've made it to our last week of sixth grade. So great job throughout the entire year. We only have 1 week left. So I'm really proud of you all for making it up to this point. Today is Monday, June 8th. And in this video, I'm going to go over some really important announcements and reminders and also give you some directions for today. So please listen carefully and watch the entire video. All right, so I am going to go ahead and remind you all that you were supposed to take the Unit 7 final test last week. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 of the questions that students missed the most, and then you'll have a chance to retake the same test. So today, I'm going to post the slides right here, and then the video that you're watching will be posted up here. And then if you want to retake the Unit 7 final test, you're going to go ahead and go back to the orange folder and click Unit 7 Final Test, and then you'll be able to retake the test. So when you click on that, it's gonna open up to here and it'll show you your first grade that you got. So for example, if you got a C or a B or a D and you wanna retake it, it tells you your first grade. It says you've made 1 of 2 attempts. You have 1 more remaining. So you can take the test 1 more time for a higher score. And I highly suggest that before you do your retake, I want you to press on your first attempt, press view right over here. And when you press view, it shows you which questions you got correct and which questions you got incorrect. This way you can go ahead and see, oh, like this one I got it wrong, but I know that the correct answer is evaporation. So then you'll be able to figure out how to do better on the next test by looking and seeing which answers were wrong and which answers were correct. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up our online learning week 12 slides. And this is our weekly overview. It tells you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday I have a little note for you all. If you look at the week's work, we don't really have much work to turn in. Today you're gonna retake the test. Tomorrow you're gonna turn in all missing work. Wednesday, turn in all of your missing work. Thursday, turn in all of your missing work by 9 p.m. and then we'll be done. So just a really quick announcement. All missing work must be turned in by 9 o'clock at night on Thursday of this week. So if you say that you turn in some work at 10 p.m. on Thursday, well, I'm not going to grade that, and that's not going to help your grade go up because I have to turn in grades by Friday morning. So I'm going to be turning in your grades on Thursday night after 9 p.m. So anything that you do after 9 o'clock on Thursday, it will not help your grade. It will not help get rid of the U. So please make sure you do your missing work today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday before 9 o'clock on Thursday. Okay, and remember that our last meeting for our classes are right here. I really hope that I'll see each of your faces at our last meeting so that I can say goodbye and we can watch the video that I made together and play some games before you move on to summer break. All right. So again, one more time, all missing work must be turned in by 9 p.m. on June 11th of Thursday. All right, so today you will make sure you submitted all of your work and including the Unit 7 final test on the water cycle. You will turn in all missing assignments before 9 p.m. this Thursday in order to earn E's on your final report card. So if you have many missing assignments, you will be getting 2 U's. If you don't want 2 U's on your report card for your final grades, please turn in all missing work this week. All right. So you get to retake your Unit 7 final test. So if you want to do better on it, you're going to look at the study guide by clicking here and then review the water cycle notes by clicking here. And if you scored below a C, I want you to retake the test for a higher score. Remember, tests are the best way to bring up your grade. So if you do better on this test, your grade will go up a lot. So if you got a score below a C or even a B and you want to do better, you can go to the upcoming section and click on the final test again, and you will be able to take it again. And right now I'm going to go over a couple of the questions that many students got incorrect. So by watching this video right now, you should be able to get these questions correct on your retake. So number 3, many students got this wrong. It was, why is the sun an important part of the water cycle? Remember, it's the sun's radiation, the heat from the sun, that's what makes the water evaporate from the ground. Remember the ocean water, it evaporates because the sun heats up the water. So the sun's radiation makes the water evaporate by making the water particles change from liquid into a gas, into water vapor. And then number 6, which step of the water cycle does not involve the force of gravity? Remember, gravity is the force that pulls things down. Gravity pulls water down. So in infiltration, that is water sinking into the soil. So gravity pulls water down in infiltration. In runoff, water is running down the hill. So gravity is pulling water down the hill. In precipitation, rain, snow, hail, and sleet are falling down from the clouds, so gravity is pulling water down. So all those three, they involve the force of gravity pulling water down. However, for evaporation, water is floating up to the sky. Liquid water changes to gas and floats high into the sky. So evaporation does not involve gravity. Instead, it's going up. Remember, gravity pulls water down, but evaporation does not involve gravity. Number 8, what happens when water vapor rises high up into the colder atmosphere? Well, when it gets colder, remember particles, they lose thermal energy. They're losing thermal energy to the colder atmosphere. And this makes the water change from, it was water vapor, so it was gas. But when they lose thermal energy, they become liquid again. So gas, the water vapor changes back into liquid, and that is called condensation. And then number 10, how do plants help with the continual movement of water in the water cycle? How do plants help the water cycle? Remember, there's water in the soil, and plants, they suck up the water from the soil, and then they release it back into the atmosphere as water vapor. So plants help to take the water back out of the soil and release it back into our atmosphere. And then the last question I'm helping you with, number 11, how do animals and humans help with the movement of water? Remember, humans and animals, whenever we breathe out, we are releasing water vapor back into the air because our breath has water vapor. So by breathing out, we're releasing water vapor back into the air, and that's called respiration. So by doing this, we're helping water from our body go back into the atmosphere. All right, so those were 5 questions that I showed you the answers to. So those of you who want to retake the test, please go back to the orange folder and click the Unit 7 final test, and you get 1 more attempt. So you have 2 tries in total to get an A. Please retake it today if you want to do better. All right, so going back to our slides. So you'll retake your test, and then reminding you all one more time, all missing work, please do them today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. If you don't do it before 9 p.m. on Thursday, it will not help your grade. So you have 4 days left to turn in all missing work, and you will earn 2 U's on your final grades if you have missing assignments. So please make sure you turn in your missing work. How do you do your missing work? You go to grades for science class, and then you scroll through the long list of assignments. Anything marked missing, you click on the title, and then you do the assignment. So please work on doing that. And then remember, for our last class Zoom meeting, I would love if you could click on the calendar link and then let me know if you can attend or not. Period 1, 2, and 6 is tomorrow. Period 4 and 5 is on Wednesday. Again, I would love to see you all so that we can say goodbye together and end the year together. So if you have not yet RSVP'd, you're gonna go to the upcoming, click on the calendar link, and then you'll be able to press attend or decline. But I really hope you can attend. So period 1, I will see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Click on this link. Period 2, I'll see you tomorrow at 12 p.m. Click on the Zoom link. Period 6, I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Again, click on the Zoom link. Period 4 and 5, I'll see you all on Wednesday's meeting. All right, that is it for today's video. Please retake your test and then turn in all missing assignments. All right, that's all you're doing today. Retake your test if you need to, and then turn in all missing work. All right, I will see you all hopefully in tomorrow and Wednesday's Zoom meeting. Have a wonderful day, and let's finish our 6th grade year well. Yeah, let's keep going and do our best to, this week. I will talk to you all tomorrow and Wednesday. Have a great rest of your day.